Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class I just want to teach you some more interesting things about the functions. Basically we know about the functions, that functions can be created, we can create functions, but that functions are called the custom functions or user defined functions, you can say. But there are some pre-built functions in a PHP, we can use them also, and how to use them and what they can do. They can do some kind of mathematical operations, they can do some kind of string operations. A string means the text operations means they have some specific features in their own self, and in the same way we can use some integer methods, integer functions. I'm just going to show you how we can use the pre-created or the pre-built functions of the PHP. So there, first of all, I'm just teaching about the string functions. So here I'm just creating some kind of variable where I'm going to put some string tag. I'm just typing str1, and here I'm just typing hello world. Okay, now press enter. So what I'm just going to do with these tags, this is going to apply the function, the str replace function, the pre-built function with this str1 variable. So this str1 variable has the text hello world. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just typing str replace. This is the function. You can see that it becomes blue. That means it's actually pre-built, and the reserved word as well. The Notepad++ already knows about these functions. It saves on its database. Or you also can say the configuration setting. Now by the way, what do you want to update? I'm just typing here, I just want to update the hello, and what I just want to put instead of the hello, hi. From where? Which is the source? Okay, you just want to update the hello into hi, but which is the source? The source is the str1. I can do two things basically. Here I'm just typing the hello world. Now what I'm just telling, this one is the word which I just want to update. This one is the updated word. That means, or you can say the replace word, and this one is the source where I just want to update the data. And then what I can do, I can save this function in a variable. I can directly echo this function. Right now I'm just echoing this function directly. So go to the browser and let's just check that out. Here just refresh the page. Now hi world, you can see that I just typed the hello world. By the way, there is no matter with this str1. So right now, instead of the hello world, I can change the source into the variable instead of the simple text. So I'm just typing str1. So now what I should do, just save that and go to the browser back and refresh the page. It's still the hi world. Now what I'm just gonna do, I'm just typing here hi hello students. Save, and now you can see that refresh. Now this is the hi students, not the hello students, okay, because I just updated that. Now how to save that function in a variable? I'm just typing here the strfunc. Just the strfunc is okay, and now there the echo the strfunc. I can do that too. I'm simply echoing the strfunc. By the way, this is not necessary to echo the strfunc. We can send the or just save the data on the database or as well, the strfunc's data. Now go to the browser and refresh the page. It is still the hi students, however now I'm just echoing the strfunc. So I think this is the basic logic you just understood about that. Why not we just talk about a lot of string functions of the PHP. Let's just learn all them. I'm just gonna teach you about that. Do you want to know that how much words is inside this str1? Yeah, I just want to know. Let's just echo that simple str word count. Okay, you can see that it turns into blue as well. That means it's also saved in the directory of this Notepad++. It knows that this is a PHP special function, the pre-built function. Now just str1, because this is the variable, the source where I just want to check out. So go to the browser and refresh the page. I'm getting 2. Wow, what the mean of 2? There are a lot of characters but only 2 words, 1 and 2. So by the way, if I just still print, I'm just echoing something really important, the br, which is really necessary as you know, and then press enter, and I'm just echoing the the str1. Now do you know that here I just updated the str1, so when I'm just printing the str function, so it's actually, or I think I should type the replace function. That will be more good. so replace function, and here the str to replace func. But what is the str? Str is still the hello world, but I just applied the str here, str1 here, and this is the replace function. And in the replace function variable, the replace func variable, I just updated the hi, hello into hi, not in the str1. Okay, str1 is only the source here. So go to the browser. I just want to show you what I'm just showing you what I just told. You can see that hi students and hello students. Exactly, this is what I just want to say. And then I'm just echoing the word count, so it's just only counting the word. So do the same, you know, all these things which I'm just talking about. Save and go to the browser back and refresh the page. Now the only two characters, oh sorry, the two words. Did you remember the looping? Yeah, exactly, to repeating any character, or sorry, any function, anything, whatever, multiple times. But here, if you only have some text, for example, you just don't want to make the variable, you just don't want to make some kind of programming, you just simply want to show or render the simple text, so you can use a pre-built function as well, which is actually called the str repeat. Let's just apply the str repeat. I'm just echoing that. Well, what I'm just doing, I'm just applying the br here, just removing that str and applying the str at the very top, because here I just want to apply some kind of another function, by the way. So now let's just apply the next function, the str repeat. Okay, so what do you want to repeat? I just want to repeat the here. I'm just typing me, okay, add a comma, or just me. Okay, just go there, add a comma out of the single or double quotes, okay, and put the quantity. I just want that around 10 times. Save and go to the browser and refresh the page. Let's just refresh that. Now you can see that me, oh, a lot more me, by the way. Here, if I just apply the br, I just want to show you something more. Save and go to the browser and refresh the page. Now you can see that the me is now in another way. So I think that's perfect. Or instead of the simple text, why not I just do some more things? I'm just typing the str1 and saving and going to the browser and refresh the page. Now hello students, a lot more hello students. But how to put the br? I just don't want to put the br here in a variable. I just only want a br here. So you know that before the comma, I'm just putting a period, and I'm just changing the data. The br, sorry, not in a capital letter, come on, br. Save, and I'm just going to the browser and refresh the page. Now you can see that the hello students in another way. You also can do another thing. I'm just removing this str and all these things, because you know that I'm just using the double quotes, so I can apply the str inside the double quotes. You know, the double quotes understands the variables. So refresh the page once again, and now you can see that hello world is still in the same way. That means it's working in a perfect way. str repeat is working perfectly. Now let's just learn some more functions. Now I just want to get the position of any character or the string, so I'm echoing another function. The function is str pipos. Okay, and now the parentheses, go inside the parentheses, and what I'm just gonna put here, I'm just typing the character, or I can type the hello students or only nts or whatever, but here I'm just typing because I just want to get a lengthy text. Or why not I just make another str2 variable, and here I'm just typing we are learning, or we are willing to become a professional web developer. Now save. Right now I just want to check about the willing. So here what I'm just putting the str2 as a source, and then just mention what do you want to check out. I just want to check out the willing. Don't forget that this is case sensitive, so w is capitals, w is small, so here it must be small. Save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. What it is, this 7. Why the 7? Because you know the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, exactly the 7th character. The willing is starting from the 7th character. That means it's working perfectly. So in the same way, if you just want to check out the professional Don't forget the spelling or the case sensitivity. Professional, IONAL, professional. Save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. It's 27. That means, you know, from here it's counting each character including the space. VWE 2 characters, and this one is third, fourth, fifth, second, fifth, sixth, seventh, any etc. By the way, you just understood about the position as well. Let's just put the BR, and I'm just gonna teach you another one. Well, now I just want to type the echo again, and I'm just checking the sub str. Okay, a very famous function, the pre-built function. I'm going to use that function a lot more time. So here, let's just mention the variable. It actually cuts the variable, the data, and shows only the specific data. For example, here we have the str2. It has a lot of data. I just only want to get the professional web developer. I just want to show only the professional web developer. So here the str2 and a comma. So from which character I just want to show the text. I just want to show the text from the 27 here. Where is the professional? The 27. It is starting from the 27, you know, here. Because of the stri pose, PO as the position, we know the position of the professionals, the P's character position. So I just want to get the data or the text from this str2 from the P or the professional from the 27th character. So the 27, and save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. You can see the professional web developer. For example, this is 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, 39, 40. From the 40, I just want a 40th character. So let's just type the 40, and you will get only the web developer, because from here I'm just starting. Here I'm just mentioning that from where to start echoing the data. Just simple. Refresh the page. Now only the web developer. In the same way, we can do another thing, that how much data do you want? So now again I'm just getting from the 27, and I just only want the 10 characters. Save, and I'm just going to the browser and refresh the page. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I'm just only getting the 10 characters. From the 27th character, I just only want to see the 10 characters next. So now, you know, if I just type the 12, so I'll get the professional complete. So now you can understand that how easy it is to get the text from any variable or any long sentence or a paragraph in a PHP. We'll use that multiple times when we just make the when we just get the data from the database. Well, in the same way, you know that there are a lot more string functions which we just can't describe all of them because there are a lot more. But right now, what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna teach you some text formatting in the PHP. So for example, I'm echoing, and if I just type the str T lower, or the, I think not the lower first, OUPPER, upper, you know that you can see that it's became blue. So by the way, I'm gonna apply the str2 here, or the str1 for now, str1, and save and go to the browser. Refresh. You can see that the hello students is now in a capital letter. However, it was very small, not in simple in a small letters, but now it's in a capital letter. That means it's perfect. Go back to the notepad, and in the same way, I'm gonna apply some more functions here. I'm just typing, check string formatting, save, and now press enter and echo, and strto lover, lower. So now the str1 again, save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser. But before that, why not we just apply the br, copy, paste here, paste, and you know that this is really important to put the semicolon. Save, and I'm gonna go to the browser back and refresh the page. So now you can see that basically the H and the S of the hello students is capital, but here the H and S, both of them are small, and this hello students is completely capital. Go back to the notepad, and I'm just gonna press enter and then echo, and then the br, save, and press enter and echo. Well, in the same way, if you just want to make some kind of sentencey thing, means you just want to make the first character as capital, So you know that here I'm just pressing enter and then str, or I think here the str3 equal to, and here I'm just making all them in a small way. So here the good people. Okay, now the G should be small because I just want to apply some kind of functions here on this str3. So here the UC first. Now here I'm just picking up the str3, save and go to the browser and refresh the page. So now you can see that the G is capital for now, okay, but the P is still small, but the G is capital. But press enter again and echo, and now you see words. So now you'll see the interesting difference between them, the str3 and save, and you know that we need to apply the echo of the BR, which is necessary. Save and go to the browser back and refresh the page. Now you can see that because of the UC words, now the G is capital and the P is capital as well. Means it's making the capitalize each word's first character, but that one, the UC first, is only capitalizing the first one, the first character of the complete sentence. You can see that there are two words, but only the first word's first character is capital. So guys, in the next class we'll learn some more of the functions, but in the next class I'm just gonna teach. So guys, in the next class I'm just gonna teach you some more functions, just like the string functions, but basically I just want to teach you about some specific HTML functions, how to manage the HTML in a PHP. I'm gonna teach you in the next class. So goodbye and stay tuned.